Everyone notices the ship by the cliff is gone, suspecting it's fallen into the abyss. Just as the disappointed group is about to head back, John suddenly notices something odd about the sand under his feet. Upon digging, he finds the ship's hull. He quickly calls everyone over to help, but while they're clearing the sand, the ship suddenly starts shaking violently. Turns out it's right on the edge of the cliff, about to slide down any second. To avoid losing the ship, everyone quickly connects it with ropes, then has the cars pull with all their might. John quickly takes the chance to refuel the ship, but before he's halfway through, the power of the two cars reaches its limit. Seeing the ship about to fall, John quickly jumps inside, but the next second, a rope snaps. The ship is about to drop into the abyss, but John, who's inside setting up the fuel line, hasn't come out yet. Jack on the car doesn't want to give up, but this way, it'll just lead to destruction. Reluctantly, Jack has to cut the safety rope manually. Just as everyone's at the cliff mourning, a hand suddenly emerges. Thankfully, John manages to escape at the last moment. The reason they're trying to salvage the fuel from the ship is because just days ago, while navigating space, they encountered an unexpected asteroid attack, forcing their spaceship to crash land on this planet. One ship's engine broke off completely, although the other ship was intact. Its fuel was drunk by alien eels. That day, while Emma was observing the sun on the planet, she noticed the sun was rising earlier each day, which seriously didn't make sense. To figure out what's going on, Emma decides to go into space to observe. She then comes to a field of purple grass, fully inflating the giant hot air balloon she prepared. But just as she connects the equipment, a sudden gust of wind comes, blowing the huge balloon far away, uprooting the anchoring stakes. And worse, the rope gets tangled around Emma's ankle. Before she can react, she's dragged hundreds of meters by the balloon, with a bottomless cliff ahead. At this critical moment, thankfully, Emma successfully cuts the rope.